Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Salsa Ninja pattern for intermediate students. My name is Herman.
And I'm Juana from Salsa Ninja.
And if you like this content, subscribe below. See you guys soon. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, this one is called the green shoes. Let's jump right into it. 5, 6, 7, basic 1, 2, 3. I'm going to switch hands on 5, going immediately. 5, so right to right. As you're doing your basic, your hands are moving a little bit, and on 5, boom, switch hands. Then I go up on 6, 7 on 1. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to flick the hand down. And for you girls, you're going to take the hand, boom, and go. So you're going around and bringing it right back down. And guys, as we toss the hands, we don't need to toss really hard. Just let the weight of the hand kind of come down. Lower the other one and then catch it on the top. Okay? So let's do it again one more time for the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Switch hands. 5, 6, 7. Up, 2, 3, throw. 5, 6, 7. From here, I'm going to do a touch and go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Now show that again from here, a touch and go. It's right hand at the top, right to right. Left hand at the bottom, left to left. And now let's exaggerate this so you can see what's going on. She's going to turn. You're going to let go of the left hand, catch it again, and come right back down. 6, 7. So hand toss, touch and go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Hand switch. 5, 6, 7. Up, 2, 3. Hand toss. 5, 6, 7. 1, touch and go. 5, hairbrush, hairbrush. Immediately after she's done. One more time from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Up, 2, 3. Hand flex, 6, 7. Touch and go. 2, 3. Hairbrush, hairbrush. Left travel turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Hairbrush for me. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. One last time from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Up, 2, 3. Hand flex, 6, 7. Touch and go. 2, 3. Hairbrush, hairbrush. Left travel turn. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 5, 6, 7. All right, guys, that's the green juice pattern. Let's see it now with music. Making it all the way to the end of the video. Awesome job.
Guys, if you love this video, please subscribe below.